Hugo Bruce doesn't believe in himself. He doesn't believe in his players, and he doesn't believe Bafana Bafana will do well at the World Cup. I'll tell you why I say this. If Hugo Bruce really believed that Bafana Bafana stands a chance, or he believes that they can make it past the group stages, or he believes there might be something positive to come out of Bafana Bafana, there's no way he would have called up 11 defenders. The reason he called 11 defenders, it's because he doesn't believe that his team is strong enough to attack. His team is strong enough to score important goals. Into ayoyenza lapha ku World Cup, Hugo Bruce uyahamba uyodefender. Akayanga kuyoyenza into. He's going there to defend. It doesn't make sense. Why would in your squad, why would you call up more defenders than attackers and than your midfields? And also, another thing that's really confusing about the squad, let's Hugo Bruce, Asbizile, are the players that he chose to left out. And the way in which everything happened is Zolo. I don't think Hugo Bruce believes in Bafana Bafana. I don't think he does believe in Bafana Bafana. One of the reasons I say he doesn't believe in Bafana Bafana, if you remember Gula AFCON le Bafana Bafana yatoli bronze, Hugo Bruce was playing different players and young players before Giwalapo. South Africans had to take to the social. South Africans had to complain and say to him, please play Sundowns players. Wabatata Machita with Sundowns, they did well and they performed well. It's the reason Nabo Beganga busy at that time, it's because he doesn't believe that South Africa has what it takes to compete at the highest level. Brendan Peterson. Leaving out Brendan Peterson is the most disappointing thing I saw Izolo. Like, that was so disappointing to see Ricardo Goss called up and then Lomfana Lonu Brendan Peterson uyasala. What has Ricardo Goss done for Bafana Bafana? What has Ricardo Goss contributed to and for Bafana Bafana? Uyenzelani swelelu Ricardo Goss. Yeah, you'll hear legends saying that Mara every week Kusbelele, he's saving them. Who is he playing against? A good game against Makesi FC doesn't mean that you're a good goalkeeper. A good game against Orbit College doesn't mean that you're a good goalkeeper. One good game against Orlando Pirates doesn't necessarily mean that you're a good goalkeeper. The question is, can you play at the highest level? And Ricardo Goss wakona bamthatha bamhlalise benchini. Is he even going to play a World Cup? It's a waste of time taking that guy. Take Lomfana Lonu Brendan Peterson. This guy has saved the Chiefs. This guy knows what it means to save the team and show up when it matters most for the team. Abo Sipho Chain, no Ronwen Williams have always had a solid defense in front of them. Sipho Chain defense this season be solid. So he wasn't really tested because he had a solid defense. Ronwen Williams this season, because it defense qale ngathi kuba nembobonyana yila ke sebayaqala bayamhlasela seka consider amagoal amaningi, because sesibonile ukuthi he's more used to playing on the ball as opposed to goalkeeping. So balance it off. You have umuntu that's a very good penalty saver, Sipho Chain. Our Sipho Chain uyalazi penalty. We have Brendan Peterson. Umuntu owaziyo that his biggest strength as a goalkeeper is to stop a goal. He's a shot stopper. And then you have Ronwen Williams owaziyo ukuthi he's a leader and he knows how to contribute to game makumele ukuthi idlale. So when I look at that Bafana squad holistically, I sat down and I looked at that squad and I told myself, actually I asked myself, what are we going to do at the World Cup? Are we going to compete against Mexico, or are we going there to defend against Mexico? Are we going there to compete against South Korea, or are we going there to defend against them? Are we going there to compete against Czechia, or are we going there to defend against them? But Maupegi squad said we're clearly going there to defend against those people. You can also add him as a defender because he's a defensive midfield. I'm attacking midfield that are actually good on the ball, that are creative, abakwazi ukuridi game bashama pass. Bayingaki kulesa squad lesya. Bayingaki kulesa squad lesya. Is there an actual attacking mid? Don't tell me about ama wing, because abo Police nabo Muremi, those are wing forwards. Mina ngikhuluma ngabantu that can play in that number 10 role and read the game kamnandi. Urilebuhile Mfukeng I1. And now I want to correct people on social media, but Brazil decided to give Neymar a chance. Themba Zwane is our Neymar. Themba Zwane angiyaphupa shemabu Neymar angajabula. Themba Zwane is nowhere close to Neymar. He's a very good player. He's done a lot for our national team. Siyabonga Mshishi udlalile, but this World Cup he wasn't supposed to go Bafana Bafana. Themba Zwane wasn't supposed to be there. The way Hugo Bruce is so biased, when players don't get game time, Guma Timo abagababizi. Has Themba Zwane been getting game time lapana kuma Mamelodi Sundowns? How many games has Themba Zwane played this season? How many goals has he scored ever since he came back from injury, Themba Zwane, for your Mamelodi Sundowns? How many chances has he created for Mamelodi Sundowns? Yeah, no Themba Zwane. But there he is going to the World Cup. So Hugo Bruce is a very, very, very biased coach. Now, let's talk about Amateka Wakona. Congratulations to Ikram Reyners. Ukukhuluma kwethu nokulwa kwethu bafethu kuzwakele. Our voices were yabona one thing esingayisho as pundits abantu bebakhala ku social media sithi la Hugo Bruce umamelile kungo Ikram Reyners. Congratulations to Ikram Reyners. He deserves to be in the squad and we wish him all the best. Question is he going to play? That's the question we need to ask. Is he going to play? And if he is going to play, when is he going to play? Because we all know Hugo Broos is going to be loyal to Lyle Foster. Angazi nokuthi Lyle Foster bafethu uyaphi. Angazi nokuthi Lyle Foster uyokwenzani ku World Cup. Lyle Foster is playing in one of the biggest leagues emhlabeni wonke jikelele. He's failing lapho. What makes you think uzokupha ama result lapha yana ku Bafana Bafana? So ngithema ngicabanga futhi enye into enginotisile bafethu. In order for you to be selected by Hugo Broos to play for Bafana Bafana, you have to be off form. Hugo Broos doesn't believe on players that are on form. He doesn't believe in players that are doing well and that are playing right. Yabona, once you are bad and you are not doing right, Hugo Broos uyakbiza. Themba Zwane is not getting enough game time. He's not doing well with Mamelodi Sundowns. He's been struggling with Themba Zwane. No mangena, sometimes na mateno wakhe lamalanga kusila matena right. Uya ku World Cup. When was the last time Ikram Reina scored a goal? Uyahamba uya ku World Cup. Lesikhathi akora amagoli amaningi abambizanga ku Tiger AFCON. When he was scoring week in week out sonke semkhalela abambizanga. He's been scoring less goals sekaya hamba uya ku Bafana Bafana. Lyle Foster has never been on form. I've never seen Lyle Foster on form. He continues to go to Bafana Bafana. Uyaya Stole has never been on form. Now uyahamba uya ku Bafana Bafana. Now you look at abanye amachita too. Ashley Cupido, Keanu Cupido has been very solid for Mamelodi Sundowns laphe move. He's on form. Aga go World Cup. Starts lo mfana lo wePirates ulibone siyema. Another one that's been very solid lapha ne move for Bafana Bafana. He's also not going to the World Cup. Come usabelo kamngi ubani usamkelo kabini orbani igama lakhe. Le lamchita lo yambobo. Uyavuza lamchita lo ya. He's going to the World Cup. Think about it. Hugo Broos doesn't believe in players that are on form. That's why ngisho ngithi uyasaba ukuyo challenge amanye ama country. That's why even just before azohamba aya ku World Cup, the game azodlala yini Paraguay. What's the name of that country? Uyodlala nabo Nicaragua yini yona lento leyo. Labantu ba ranked kuwo 100 and what lapha na kuma FIFA rankings. That's the country that's going to help Bafana prepare to go to FIFA World Cup. I'm just happy Hugo Broos is leaving after this. I'm really happy Hugo Broos is leaving after this. Hugo Broos, please, ngicela niyiclipe lo moment nimbonise. You will not be missed. You will not be missed. La South Africa, you will not be missed. You found our players badlala ngendlela eshapu. Ama players fought their way into Bafana Bafana. They're the ones that brought back the glory to Bafana Bafana. I said yesterday, I'll say it again. We give credit to Aborulani Mukwena, Jose Rivero for taking Umbegezeli Mbogazi, taking a risk. Wathatha Umbegezeli Mbogazi from TDC one promote amfaka first team Orlando Pirates. Umbegezeli Mbogazi shined. So credit to our local structures. EPSL etu ama player wethu improve. Credit to ama scouting wama Orlando Pirates wabo Sundowns ama player improve. Hugo Broos akaenzanga nix, so Hugo Broos will not be missed. All Hugo Broos did was come to our country and disrespect our football and disrespect our players. Ayikho lento liyasitshela yona leyo. And also, you know, I don't understand. It was so sad izolo during that announcement masibhekelele abo Tito, abo Peterson, abo Pochenpool, abo Thapelo Morena, nalo mfana lo weChiefs uLebohang Maboye. Bekubhlungu masibabona laphana nebody language yabo yababona ukuthi mara bafethu beni bayisa kuphi. So decide ukuthi sibathathe siyobahlaza in front of the media. As a coach, you need to stand up for your players. While Hugo Broos ngabe uyokhuluma ukuthi, you know what, Standard Bank ngicela ukuthi nime kancane. I can't bring you the whole squad because I haven't announced all the players. It won't make sense ukuthi ngibathathe ngibalethe bonke ngibagqokise whereas abanye are going to be left out. What does that do to their confidence? What does that do to ego yabo? Ibenzani labantu laba deep down as ama player? Hugo Broos ukhacabangela imizwa yabanye abantu. Does he ever stop to think for a moment ukuthi kahle lama player lawa abantu? This very same energy nisebenzayo ukuthuka thina mas criticize ama player. Niyathula Hugo Broos makakhuluma. Niyathula Hugo Broos makenza amanyala la South Africa. Wadelelile la machita lawo izolo. Why didn't Hugo Broos say I can't bring you all my players? Ithi ngilethela ama key player lawa yena sekaziye ukuthi laba vele bazongena kubafana bafana. Bahleli lapha bo Tito, bahleli lapha bo Thapelo Morena babhekelela abantu bagibela stage. These are professional players. These are players that have young people that look up to them. Thapelo Morena is one of the biggest contributors Bafana to be disrespected in front of the whole country like that. And then country iyathula. Abo minister bakhulumana nama speech, ama president wethu izandla nanani. Whereas this guy is disrespecting our football. Isafithulile. Saze safa. We are suffering under isafa man. We are suffering under isafa. Lenda, exactly. This is a dope comment. This is a very beautiful Joint Zulu Senior. Athi ngathi beba kuma idols. It looked like abo Tito beba kuma idols bona bangenanga ku top 10. Beba ku like last 16. Now abo Unati nabo Proverb nabo Somizi sekumele ba announce top 10 yabo laba bona sebayasala. It didn't make sense to me. We are talking about uTito Buyiga unibetwe Premiership. He's contributed a goal amaningi for Orlando Pirates this season. Brendan Peterson saved the Chiefs. One of the reasons the Chiefs namhlanje iku number 3. Brendan Peterson played a big role. He's one of the last men standing ku PSL. Brendan Peterson. He shouldn't only be nominated for goalkeeper of the season, but also player of the season. He should be contending because them Chitalana had a phenomenal season. Ulebohang Mabuya carried Chiefs bafethu. Nganabantu aba creative ku Chiefs. Mabuya was there. Uthapelo Morena sikhuluma ngomuntu owini CAF Quest 2 neMamelodi Sundowns. Have respect for the players. If we uyabona ukuthi angeke uzubabize, leave them out. Don't even take them kula press conference. Nan. Izolo, all that happened for me. I saw media channels that are struggling with viewership. Enjoy viewership in Izolo. Izolo we show off. Lento le yenzakalile Izolo. But nonetheless, congratulations to all the players that made the final squad. I still don't understand how we have 11 defenders going to represent Bafana overseas. So Mark Shubi shoot every game, so let's change my defender. Or is Hugo Bruce gonna do what he did against Egypt, where instead of going ne team pound for pound, hlasela labantu laba when you funa ukuthi defender for the whole game. Phela lama defender lawa I11 is starting 11 less. If he wants, he can just throw in those defenders. So he's been very unfair on certain players with Hugo Bruce. He's been very biased on certain players with Hugo Bruce. And he's been very disrespectful to Hugo Bruce. I know a lot of people are saying that, yeah, but he's an international coach, so he believes in players abadlali Europe. All those players abadlali Europe, abalapagla squad sebafana bafana. Ngicela ungibalela by 5 wena bantu. Ngicela ungibalela by 5 wena bakhe bayenza something engathi cacile lapha kubafana bafana. Playing abroad doesn't necessarily mean that you're a good player. Playing abroad doesn't necessarily mean that you have anything ongayilethela i-national team yakho. I still maintain mina. There is no way a good coach would choose Ime Okon over Keanu Cupido. There is no way a good coach would choose Nkosinathi Sibisi over Grant Kekana. There is no way a good coach would have left out Ulibone Siema. You can't tell me utatela bafana bo Tylen Smith nabo Shendry Campbell why nabo go AFCON and now you can't take them to the World Cup. Why can't you take them to the World Cup? We're talking about players now babadlala ku stage school. So angazi mina bafethu lezi zinto lezi zaka Hugo Bruce. Angazi into azoyenza. So favoritism is really killing us. I'm opening the lines now. Anyone who wants to join start the conversation fast, you can join the line and then tell us what you think. So the only person Mina I think is capable of scoring goals for us up front who Ikram Reyners. Urilebuhile Mfukeng, if he's not having a good game, who do we substitute him with? Ngotembazwane. Do you trust Utembazwane to join and be the solution? Is that the person that's gonna now help really? We don't know. We can only wait to find out. But nevertheless, Bafethu, like I said, well done to Bafana for qualifying for the World Cup. Even though qualifying for this World Cup is not as challenging as it was when you qualified for the World Cup back in the days. But congratulations to the player. It's nice to see Ikram Reyners finally being recognized. Congratulations to Kamkhelo Sibelebele. Kamkhelo Sibelebele came at a time Orlando Pirates where the supporters desperately wanted the league. He came and he made a name for himself. Nanguya hamba manjago World Cup. Hambu yomosha mfana githi lapha eMexico when izinto eziright. I still think they need to tell us why Mohaun Kota is not in the squad. They need to tell us why Mohaun Kota is not in the squad. Again, Hugo Bruce doesn't believe in form. When Mohaun Kota aya overseas, yabona la sekabona ngathi Mohaun Kota kushubile form yakhe. Wamthatha wambiza wamfaka esquadini bese kafuna ukumdlalisa ama game. But we need to know, guys. Ngicela nibositshela to those in the panel abazi. Oh, I didn't know that Mohaun Kota was injured. Thanks for the update, Bafethu. Yeah, hey. I know inzima Bafethu indaba yethu. Congratulations to Bradley Cross. I just want to say something quickly, briefly, Bafethu, before ngivula lana nikhulume ngo Bradley Cross. Ngicela ningivalela ama mic just for 1 minute nje. Bradley Cross, congratulations to him. I wasn't expecting Bradley Cross to make the final cut, I'll be honest with you. So now, the reason I'm saying I wasn't expecting Bradley Cross to make the final cut is simply because Ukulumani Daman is actually a left back before he's a centre back. when he was promoted, they converted him into a center back. So he knows how to play left back and center back. I was hoping Ukuluman Ndamane would be the left back. If Aubrey Mudiba is injured, then Umbegezeli Mbokazi adlalela. But Hugo Pruso yena, he believes ukuthi lo mchita lono uzoyenza izinto right. But I believe Bradley Cross, congratulations, and I believe uzodlala kamnandi.